Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. We have got a small little unboxing, not a knife, but I guess it is EDC relatable. Use the stitch ram lock to get the tape off. Let's see what this made in China item is. Tape, a couple of screws. All right. So guys, this is something I picked up on Amazon. I don't know much about it, except it is a little magnetic Teflon taped clicker. So the magnets aren't real strong. I want to say this was about 50 bucks. It's carbon fiber. I think it'll do a ladder fall if I was up high enough. But yeah, a little light fidget slider that, to be honest with you, it doesn't feel as solid as metal ones, and it doesn't have a track, but it feels pretty balanced. The magnets aren't pushing, they're keeping it lined up, where I've had some that don't do that. So I figured I'd check this out just because it was lighter. See what I thought about it. But it's just a little two-piece slider. I think these were like 50 bucks, something like that, which seems high, but I was getting it because of the carbon fiber. I don't know if you can see that. So it is very light. You can take this tape off, and then you can probably remove screws here to adjust your magnets or to take your magnets out. I'm guessing it's got 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 rows of magnets. But it's got a little click, little tactile feel. Doesn't feel as heavy as some of my other ones, not as clicky, but it may be better for just using it, to keep your hands busy and not be as noisy. But again, just an unboxing, just something that's different. What to say about this? I'll leave an affiliate link if you guys are interested. Again, my thoughts on it are still kind of out in the air. It is kind of light, like weight-wise. It holds together good. Feels like it's well made. I guess the ones I'm used to have a groove cut in them. Let's see if I can find one. And this one's copper, so it's going to go more in tracks. but it's about the same size. It is very light, so it'd be great in the pocket, and it does stay together really well. So for that, yeah, it's a cool little fidget. We'll see how much I actually use it, and we'll go from there. So yeah, super light. Let's just give you a quick idea on the differences. So this is like 4.45. That's 1.3. So much lighter package. I don't know if y'all do fidgets. Do you fidget? But anyway, that is a little EDC fidget I picked up at Amazon. Kind of a different one. It wasn't one of their titanium ones. It was lighter. Has some good reviews. I will pop a link in the description and upload this. See what you guys think. But till then, I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.